to school with Om Nom!
Here is Om Nom. Today we're going to learn how to draw fruits. Let's draw an apple. That is the core of the apple. Do you like apples? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. What color is the apple? An apple is red. Let's color the apple red. That is a yummy looking apple. I'm hungry. I'm going to go and eat an apple. What should we draw next? Let's draw a pear. A pear has seeds. What color is a pear? Is it blue or green? A pear is green. The seeds in the pear are brown. I love pears. Pears are delicious. I have a wheelbarrow to collect the pears. Should we draw an orange? An orange is round. An orange has a thick skin. Is the orange looking sad? Should we put some color on the orange? What color is an orange? An orange is orange, of course. The orange has jumped from the drawing board. Oh, look, it's running away. Let's draw some grapes. A grape is small and round. Grapes grow in a bunch. We have a bunch of grapes. I love grapes. Don't they look yummy? Let's color the grapes. What color are the grapes? Are they purple? Yes, grapes are purple. Grapes are tasty. I love grapes. I can eat the whole bunch of grapes. Yum! I love strawberries. I love a strawberry milkshake more. What about you? Strawberries are red in color. They have a green leaf on their head. And there goes the strawberry, running away from Om Nom. Bye-bye. Until next time.
Let's paint the bus. Yellow bus. Pink wheel. Red horn. Green door. Blue window. Bye, Om Nom.
Hello, Om Nom. You look a bit lost. Look, it's a pencil. What's that doing here? It's drawing something. Is it a plane? Is it a Superman? It's a bird. Very good. Oh, look, pink and yellow. Oh, Om Nom, it's flying away, look. Birds love to fly in the sky, and they live in the treetops way up high. They build a nest which they call their home. Now, Om Nom, off we go. Oh, there's that pencil again. What's it drawing this time? A circle and a triangle. A dinosaur. A chicken. Oh, silly me, it's a fish. Fish live in the water. They love to swim in the oceans and the seas and the rivers. Oh, careful, Om Nom. Try not to walk into things. It's a flower. A sun with legs. And a snake. No. It's a lion. Careful, Om Nom, don't get too close to him. Don't want him to eat you for his tea now, do we? The lion is the king of the jungle. And he lives in a cave, which he calls his den. Oh dear. Don't worry, Om Nom. His roar is worse than his bite. Look, Om Nom, quick, quick. It's your ride. Let's get out of here. You're flying like a bird now, Om Nom. Bye.
Blue. Cyan. Orange. Yellow.
Oh, look, here's Om Nom. Hello, Om Nom. Oh, watch out. A pencil? I wonder what the pencil is going to draw. Any guesses, kids? This seems like a foundation. A rooftop? Ooh, an attic with a triangle window. A rectangle window down there. A door. And another rectangle window. Some steps. And a chimney. Yes, the pencil is drawing a house. Wow, Om Nom, isn't this amazing? But it seems incomplete. What can you do? Think, Om Nom, think. Aha! Let's build the house. That's right. First, we're going to add in the foundation. Now we're going to add the steps. Yay! Let's do the walls. Woohoo! Now for the roof. We'll put the tiles on. Yay! And let's not forget the windows. The attic window first. Oh, the chimney. Yes. And now for the other two windows. And let's not forget the door. Perfect! Yay! That looks fantastic, Om Nom. I just love it. Ah, something else is missing in the garden. What is it? Yes, it's a tree. Let's add it on the right side. Perfect. And some hedges. Yay! I think our picture is complete now. Bye! Ooh, what's in the box? My, it's moving. Aha! It's Om Nom. Hi, Om Nom. Ooh, what's this? An empty box? Ooh, alphabets. Wonderful. Watch out, Om Nom. Oh, I wonder what this is. L-P-A-E-P. Can you help Om Nom guess the word, kids? That looks like an apple. It is an apple. Let's spell A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Yay! Brilliant. Yummy, yummy. That looks delicious, Om Nom. Ooh, more alphabets. Yay! Which word are we going to get? Watch out. H-P-A-Y-P. Can you help Om Nom figure this one out? Looks like a smiley face. Oh, it's happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Yay. Om Nom's very happy jumping on the sofa. Let's go again. What does this spell? Let's help Om Nom, shall we? Ooh, that looks like a candy. C-A-N-D-Y. Candy! Om Nom's favourite. Om Nom loves candy, don't you, Om Nom? Again. Yes, don't bang into the box, though. What is this? Let's help Om Nom out. A sun! S-U-N. Great spelling, kids. Well done. Yay! Look, Om Nom's super happy now. Great job. Where are you going, Om Nom? Om Nom, there's some more alphabets. Are they going to come out again? Yep, here they come. Oh, what does that spell? That's a lot of letters. Oh, look, it's Om Nelle. O-M-N-E-L-L-E. Om Nelle. Woohoo! Hello, Om Nelle. Again. Watch out. I think I know this one. What do you think, kids? It's Om Nom. O-M spells Om. N-O-M spells Nom. Om Nom. It's you, Om Nom. Brilliant.
Back to school with Om Nom.